This is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the print to cut emojis that we've included in this adorable smartphone card and our latest birthday wishes SVG bundle. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do this in Silhouette Studio, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is bring in our file, so let's go up to File and Open, and we're going to go into the SVG folder. Then we're going to go into the print to cut folder, and you will see the bundle print to cut white is here, and we're going to open that. Perfect. So now we need to set up this canvas here. So media size, we're going to reflect our paper size, which in my case is 8.5 by 11. And then I also want to go over here and turn on my registration marks. And now I want to make sure that this image is within these guidelines here, and now it is. And I can go up here and do File and Print, and I'm going to send this to my printer like you normally would. At this point you can go up here to Send. Alright, so the file at this point should be ready to go. As you can see, the cut lines are on the outside of those bubbles there, so you can go ahead and just send it to your machine. Alright, so let's go ahead and show you how to use the bonus content. So you're going to go up here and go File, Open, and we're going to navigate this time into the Extras folder, and you're going to see there's a Bubbles folder. So let's grab a bubble. Let's grab number 4 and open. And we're not going to see it, but let's go ahead and come down here under Page Setup. It says Media Color. Let's just change the media color to gray or something, and that way you can see where your image is here. So now let's go ahead and change our paper size to letter in my case, and I'm going to change or turn on my registration marks so those are correct. And now I'm going to go up here and do File, Merge. So I'm going to do Merge this time. And I'm going to navigate back to that Extras folder. This time I'm going into Emoji, and let's grab the number 8 here. Hit OK, and I'm going to move that down closer to the bubble and zoom in a little bit. And I'm going to drag this guy down. Okay, put him in here. All right, perfect. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. Don't be afraid. This gray background won't print. You will just print the emoji and the bubble, and I could show you that if you click File, Print. You'll see this is going to be the image of what it's going to look like when it prints. So that gray border is not there. It just helps you to identify where that bubble is. And now we are ready to send. You are just going to have to make sure that you click on the inside emoji and turn it to no cut. You just want to ensure that that bubble is cut. So if by chance yours was highlighted, which mine was, all I did was click on the emoji to highlight it, and then I clicked over here in the materials setting to no cut, and you're going to see that that changed to no cut. So now the only thing that's going to cut is that outer shape there.